Hi guys, welcome to Family and the Feast channel. My name is Janet, and in today's video we'll be making tennis roll.
Tennis roll?
Yes. And for this recipe, the ingredients and measurement will be listed down below in the description box. So,
let's get started!
So these are the ingredients, guys. I have some flour, some warm milk, I have some melted butter, some sugar, some essence, some salt, some lemon zest, and some dry active yeast. So the first thing you're going to need to do is pour the sugar into your warm water. Your water should not be boiling hot. It should come to a nice warm temperature. And you're going to stir this until the sugar is all melted. So my sugar is melted. I am going to pour my yeast into this warm water, and I'm going to set it aside so that it activates. You can cover this with a towel, and I'm going to set it on the side for about 8 to 10 minutes. Okay guys, so the yeast has already activated. It's been almost 10 minutes. So I'm going to add to this all my other wet ingredients. The milk, my melted butter, I have my lemon zest, I have my essence, and the salt. Make sure you add the salt at last because it will stop the yeast from activating. So this is what your mixture will look like. And I'm gonna, this is my bowl of flour. You wanna just form a little well in the middle, and you're gonna pour a little bit at a time, bringing all your flour together. Just pour it slowly to form a nice dough. Okay guys, so my dough is a little bit dry, so I'm gonna need to add a little bit more water to bring my dough together. So everything is all together here. Okay, so for this tennis roll, you're going to have to knead this dough for about 10 minutes. This is 10 minutes of kneading, and I'm gonna just form this into a nice ball, and I'm going to cover this and leave it to rise for 1 hour to be exact. You want to leave this dough to rise in a warm area. And just a little tip, guys, if your kitchen is cold and you want to, it's going to hinder your dough from rising, you can heat your microwave up for 30 seconds and put your dough covered into the microwave and leave it until it rises for that 1 hour. Okay guys, so my dough has been sitting for an hour, and this is how it should look. It should double in size, and the next step you want to do is to punch this down, taking all the air out. And you're going to take this out of the bowl, and you're going to knead a little bit, making sure all the air comes out. Mine is perfect, so I don't need to add any more flour. I'm able to work with this dough as it is. But if yours is a little bit sticky, feel free to add some flour. For this 3.5 cup of flour that I use, it will give me about 8 to 10 tennis roll. But I'm gonna make mine a little bit bigger today, so I'm gonna try to get like 8 rolls out of these. So I'm gonna try to make them into a little ball. Try to bring all the ends and tuck it into the middle. I just like to flat mine out a little bit. And I'm gonna put them over. Just if you didn't get that, here's a second look. Okay guys, so I finished rolling my tennis roll out. I got 8 in total. So I'm gonna cover this with the towel, and I'm gonna leave it for an extra 30 minutes to rise before I put them in the oven. Okay guys, so this is what my tennis roll looked like after sitting for the extra 30 minutes. My oven is already preheated to 375 degrees, and I am going to bake these for 25 to 30 minutes. You want them to be nice and brown on the top. Okay, my tennis roll is done. It's been 25 minutes of baking, and they are nice and golden brown. They are huge. Smells really, really, really good. Once these are out, guys, from the oven, you want to brush some butter on the top. That will help the top to be nice and soft. Okay guys, so this is what my tennis roll looks like after baking. nice and soft. I'm just gonna cut into one so you see. Nice and soft inside. This is what you're looking for. If you like this recipe, guys, give it a thumbs up. If you try my recipe, leave me a comment and let me know how it came out for you. And for more videos from Family in the Feast channel, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.
I can't wait to try it. I can't wait to eat it. Yummy. Bye-bye. Comment down below. See you next